Hello, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to center collection titles in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. Just click it. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.ces. You'll see a file named base.ces. Click it to open your store's style script. All store appearance code is here. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, it's blank. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link to this page is in the description. Here's the code we'll use. Just click the button to copy. After clicking, it'll be copied. Back in Shopify, paste it in the blank line. After pasting, click the Save button on the top right. Once clicked, the change will be saved successfully. Now, on any collection page, the title will be centered correctly. I hope this video helped. Bye!